What is happening, guys? Man, we hit a fucking banger this morning. Man, all this free information out here and people are still not trading like this. But I mean, it's up to you, man. If you wanna, see us keep banking every single day, doing the same stuff, you know, you don't want to catch on. That's you. But right, as soon as I started seeing profits, man, this is all I've just fucking stuck to and just kept doing, kept doing, kept doing. So it's great to finally see a little bit of reward from this hard work. But man, there's lots and lots of hard work to keep doing and go ahead and finish out. Um, right, I still take losses here and there, just doing stupid stuff. And then as well as miss entries. You can see the OB CSID entry that I missed, but we didn't sweep the 4-hour high. There was an SMT, but I just, obviously, right, I'm not a support and resistance trader. I'm not trying to short the double top, especially, being a couple ticks away. But we were above the candle close, so it warranted me, to still be able to look for a reversal as well as the SMT with YM and ES above the wick high. So yeah, missed first entry. That's whatever. Right, we form a breaker, and then you see as well a 1 minute CRT. That may have been a 5 minute as well with the inside candle of the FEG above. But as you see, we go ahead and sweep that high and continue to move lower. We had a pretty much Judas swing open where we accelerated upwards, came around to 10 a.m. news, and then we finally had our reversal to go ahead and finish out our sell model, whatever you want to call it. People don't even, I don't know, right? Seeing this and just seeing the Asia lows and the low resistance, we'll get into it here on the chart. But right, trades like this, you can just hold till the low hits. And as you can see, we bagged 180 ticks, right, on 2 cons, 240, and then 260. And then the last con was right somewhere about like 380, I think. I'll go back and look. Yeah, around 380, maybe squeak 390. Yeah, around 390. So very, very amazing day for the Discord and me. We're just gonna, hopefully continue to stay blessed and keep fucking banking. We're gonna get into the chart past this execution and kind of just see some things that I was looking at. Right. So we see our 4-hour right high here that we just barely missed sweeping. Right. It would have been beautiful if we swept this high, but we did. So, just because we don't sweep the high. Oh hell. Right, so as well as that high resting there, obviously ES and YM were above these highs. Right, that's, you can go look on your own chart at that. I'm not gonna, hold your hand on every SMT. Right, we'll make a video on SMTs as well, but right, obviously ES is just above this high. And even this high as well. And YM was really super high. But yeah. Pretty much what this is it's just a generation liquidity. We are probably going to end up moving higher past these highs. Because usually these equal highs don't get left like this. It's going to be a very big draw on liquidity. And obviously we're going to have to retrace. So don't look next week and you see us down here and you're like, oh, you said the highs were going to get ran. Yeah, the highs will get ran. We'll probably generate some liquidity, right? Stop people out. Right. Anyway. Right, coming into the 1 hour. You can even see it almost on the 2 hour, right? We have this inside candle. You can technically start looking for a CRT then, right? We also have a sweep on liquidity, but we do have, right, a draw on liquidity right above. So we can't just, get above this CRT and short. So we zoom into the 1 hour. Right, CRT high, CRT low. So come into the 15-minute here, and right, what do you see here? As you know, somebody likes to say, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? Larger time frame, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Is that double manipulation sauce I see? Oh my. I'm telling you guys just gotta get this chart time, right? Get on the chart and just, bro, just train your eye to see these small things. Right? We don't have a perfect 3-candle model, right? Because this one doesn't distribute all the way, but we do close below the candle. So technically, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution on a 3-candle. Right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Right? But we did show how, right, was our higher time frame range. Bear with me on the arrows. I know they're ugly. But yeah, you guys saw that already. Right, so what do we end up having? We have a small time frame CRT inside of a high time frame CRT. Right, we sweep above previous day high as well, which I thought we would have a Thursday high of wheat, right? But obviously, you know, you just got to come with what's in front of you. So, right, we have our CRT high, CRT low. So this manipulation low time frame is, you know, nothing higher time frame. We're just, right, responding, coming back to the order block, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, higher time within the high time frame CRT, right, listed here. Just redraw that one. So now we have our high time frame CRT. So, right, we come in, don't sweep the high SMT. And me personally, right, we saw this breaker past this low. Actually, excuse me, this low. Tripping. Right, we form a breaker, so keep this in mind. Right, past this low. So, with the SMT, right, not sure if we had a lower time frame SMT. We'll pull that up here real fast just to make sure you guys have that information. Right, no SMT lower time frame on ES, none on YM. So with this one, we did not have a lower time frame SMT here, right? We may have had one above this high, but right, I'm just mainly looking at the higher highs and the lower lows. So we come back into our 1-minute order block and start to react, right, bearishly. With this 9:30 open, right, this small right move down can be seen as the lower time frame Judas swing, right, and then right, you finish off this buy model here, right, with this being the high, right, lower time frame buy model because time's fractal. So after we'd have that lower time frame manipulation down, we distribute higher, right? But what did I say, right? That lower time frame manipulation down, right, is just a higher time frame right, accumulation range, right? We're not breaking out of the range. We're not breaking past the lower low or the higher high, right? We're just manipulating low time frame inside of the range. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Zoom out, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? So that's why I'm so keen on, you know, not taking the moves like this, but more or less taking the moves like this. You know, and you'll see me sit out of a lot of moves, but, you know, I'd rather catch this move instead of this move because now I'm blowing through these lows and Asian lows, right? I've caught the whole daily range, right? And I would have loved to catch the order block because I didn't technically catch the daily range because I missed out on 131 ticks. But you know, that's okay. I also missed out on these ticks down here, but you know, we're not being real particular when, you know, I could have been up 100 or 200 more ticks maybe, but right, I haven't had a great day, so there's no big point in that, right? But let's get a little bit back more into it, right? As we see, we've created the breaker here. So on the 1-minute chart, as we form the breaker, right, we come back here. As we form that breaker, right, this gives me the warranty to leave, right, some of this fair value gap open, right? And even if we do come back into it, right, I'm not expecting a closure past 50% of it, right? Almost like an IOFED. Um, well, are an IOFED. Some people I've seen see the IOFED as tapping EQ, and then I've seen some people as, right, like this is an IOFED. Right, doesn't really matter what you call it, how you see it, as long as you can understand how order flow is changing. Right, we've now created this lower low, and it not always is seen as, right, this lower low is, right, a breaker. Right, this lower low could be a sweep to continue higher, but with the narrative, correct, that we put behind every single thing listed, right, it gives us, you know, gives us a narrative behind taking short here, right inside of this FEG. So that's what I did. Took short right inside of this FEG, right, because we are sweeping the range high, right? So this is technically a turtle soup, right? What the fuck is this? Hold on. Sorry, this song just completely threw me off. Thought I was listening to this. Anyway, yeah, right. So we come into that IFEG. Oh my god, not that. Oh lord. We come into the fair value gap, right? Have a turtle soup, and yeah, you missed the IFEG entry, right? I don't care. I'm still gonna hate on IFEGs, right? Right? Technical internal turtle soup, right? And we take that and we let it run all the way, right, to the Asia lows, right? And this eye has been here, obviously. Wouldn't be aiming for Asia lows, right? Right. And also I got another little thing, just to just show a little bit of proof, just because. Right, I'm always remember the hindsight warriors comment. Not really, I don't really care, but I gotta make sure people know. Because if one person thinks it, right, it could be two people. Not that one. It's this one. Right. 913 Asia lows in our viewfinder. When was that? 1013. Right. And then even, right, if you think it's for some reason actually 913. Right. Because I'm an hour ahead. Right. 1103. You see in the bottom. 1103. We're not an hour ahead, but an hour behind, right? So, right, we had Asia low in the viewfinder. Right, wait for our manipulation above our high. Boom, drive us lower. It's pretty simple. I mean, this is damn near like the simplest way you could trade. It's almost sweep a liquidity, fucking break a structure. But you just gotta actually understand these small little points that you're looking for to be able to position yourself in the market. Um, Don't know if I have much else, right? We're always in the Discord, always accepting one-on-ones as well. Um, yeah, hope y'all enjoy this. Hope y'all have a great one and have a great weekend. I know I will. Hope y'all enjoy.